Halloween is coming. You know what to throw at those hungry bats? That's right, a bat lure. In this video, I'm going to show you how to design the mold for the soft plastic bat lure using Fusion 360. Stay tuned. Here we begin with the main body. First we draw a line and then create a pipe form from that line. Then here I make it symmetrical, so when I shape the body I just need to move one side and the other side will be symmetrical. Once I'm happy with the shape of the body, I move on to the head. As you can see, I'm using the same technique. This pipe form is very useful in terms of lure creation. You will see I use this technique over and over again in different lure design videos. Here I use a different approach to create the ear. It's similar to extrusion, but this loft method, you can extrude from one shape to another and along a specified path. The trick here is to create the profiles on different planes. You have to create the offset planes based on the first plane, and then create a vertical plane so you can draw the path for the loft process. Once the ear is created, you can move it around. Also, you can make it bigger by using a scale. Create eye using the sphere. And you can see I click the history to change the size. Since this mold will be an open pore mold, I designed the bat to be upside down in the mold. Here I create an offset plane so I can draw the wings on that plane, which will be the top of the mold. Pipe form function again. You can see I draw everything on one side because later on I'm going to use the mirror function to create the other side. Now that I have everything created on one side, it's time to create the other side using the mirror. Here's the bat. Now it's time to create the mold box. What can be more appropriate than an oval shape? To increase the buoyancy of the lure, I inserted a piece of foam so it can float better.
A little bit flashing, but I can cut it, no problem.
enjoyed this video, hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Peace. Yeah.